Hi guys, and welcome to the first video where I talk. Okay, today I'm gonna make a Halloween look for, I have it already, but I'm gonna make it in the front of the camera. Okay, let me remove to make it, no, this is it? And if you want me to make a song in English or Romanian, like to translate it, you can leave me a link. Where's the song on? There's a app. I will leave a link in the description, and if you have it, so you can leave this. And yeah, let me see where the business. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do it on camera, and I will try to make it more, I don't know. Okay, we need piercing. I don't know these. We'll go on this because we're gonna have a black body. Wait, let me see. This is it. Sorry. We need this, and it's gonna be red. A pet, because why not? We can buy a pumpkin, or what is this bite? Because I have some money. So, oh, this is cute. I like it. I'm gonna. Oh, wow! This is cute again. Okay. Here. I don't like the red eyes, so I'm gonna go with it because it sounds more creepy. A spiked color. Oh. Yeah, it is it. Gold. Just gold. This is bad today. I'm gonna go with this because why not? Pegasus wings. Oh, I don't know how to make the feathers. So we make them black. I like this. I don't really like how it is white, just white. I'm going to make to go like this. Nah, I like this. I like it more. Fake horn, why not? Scratch mark. It will be actually this. I think that there's too many, so I'm gonna remove the flower crown because I really like flowers. The flower crown, sorry. And I'm gonna make a spooky look. Look how spooky I am. This is actually the voice reveal. I think I'm gonna make all red because yes. We forgot this. So this is it. Yes. Okay. I actually make just a vampire. I don't know, demon or vampire, something like this. A human, and my name is gonna be Bloody Rose. Because why not? It's like totally real cool. Fox fem. She's a fox. She's a fox. Fox. Sorry, I'm have problems with English because I'm sick. Okay, if you guys never saw the Island, the Sky Island, you're gonna solve today because. Okay, let's start with her. Hey, hey, say hi. Hi, hi. She has the wrong. Okay, I just go from here because it is being really awkward. Let's start flying and let's go to the Sky Island. If you never saw it, you're gonna stop it. Have I said? You're gonna see how beautiful it is, and yeah, I will try to install Gaka Studio of Live. Sorry, I when my account, but when I still have my last account, uh, ah, I wait a second. Do the shots. Sorry, um, when I have my last account, I was a Gaka tuber, but now it's gone. I need to talk with my brother because okay, we're here. Okay, so here we are. It is really pretty, don't you think? Okay, let's look if there's something. Let's not talk about the cookies because these are all my cookies. Cookies, cookies. These are cookies, you know. Cookies, cookies underwater, cookies everywhere. Cookies, 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 cookies everywhere. Oh, what's the horse? What is hell is this? Okay, let me. Have drip but pause. I'm new with this. Sorry for pause because I do a pause, but I had to give my brother some water. So yes. Ugh. Let's see what's here. I think there's nothing new when I was the last time because last time it was nothing about Halloween. But I don't think they updated the Sky Islands. So let's just go to the last Island, and I'm gonna make videos where I chat with, not chat, I will talk on Discord with Kitty if she would like. And I don't know if you can hear when I had headphones, but yeah, this is. Mm-hmm. Ooh, update. It isn't update. It is just I don't know. I think I'm spooky. Ooh, you don't know how much time I actually played this game to get the wings that are not fake because the fake wings. I had the fake wings when there was no Halloween the last year, or I think when there was no real wings with that you can fly. There was just fake wings and the unicorn. And I had no Robux, and I still have no Robux, so I can buy it. So, yes. Ah, la 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 la. I'm really crazy when I'm off camera because you don't want to know what is happening. I don't. The thing that I don't like is that they changed it that impossible thing, you know. Now it is just this thing that even a fool can do it or a baby. Well, the baby will actually go there, you know. Okay, let's see if we can do it all. I didn't jump over it, but let's say. I think the videos will be more funny because I can talk in them thanks to Crafty. If you hear so, if you hear something on the background like a TV going, ignore it because you won't judge if you're not Romanian. What is it saying? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I think, oh, look, horse. Okay, we're gonna still continue with this video because it had no life. And yes, if I had no life, what I should do? Just stay there. Okay, let's go to the barn. Ooh, this is cool. I'm really sad that it thing had. No. Immediate. Sorry. It has no badges, and yeah, I will love to make if they will make badges and things. I really love the candies they put because I really love candies. So this is perfect for me. This no. Oh, right. In a video, I will show you all the secrets / Easter eggs that I will ever found. That I'll ever found it. If you don't know or you know, sorry, I'm talking to my brother. That is, it makes me angry. Okay, let's stop flying right here. Mom, who's your mom? Mom. Okay, let's see. Let's sit there talk. Dirt cheat. Okay, I'm gonna talk with here. I think so. One. I can't tell this dogs. Okay, now she's gonna come to me and say, "Hey, Smiley, what? What is she? What is she doing here? Hey, can you adopt me? Okay, I'm gonna leave." And I wanna tell you something about Wolf's life. Oh, she is a demon too. I'm a demon. 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 Okay, when I was last time here, there was absolutely nobody here. The whole server was dead, actually. Oh, do you see what? Sorry if you don't see, but I think I need to do. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Shop, exit shop server. Well, I'm dead. Oh, okay. No name for sale. Is she a kid? What is my new name? Oh, no. She gave birth, actually. Wait, let me see what is. I'm dead. Okay. Okay, bye, guys. Okay, wait, I see something there. Oh, it is a pumpkin. In a video, I will show you all the caves from this game and some secrets that I found in a wolf's life. Woo! Cazzo dato. Okay, so this was the video. Hope you enjoyed the